Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by preparing the essentials. Verify headset firmware and the app version because mismatches cause failures. Once done, pick a unique email and a strong password. Use a password manager if available to avoid reuse. Next, decide whether you need a separate platform account or just a local guest profile. This changes which steps come next. Now open the Headset Companion app or the device settings and locate the Add Account or Create Profile option to start the process immediately. You now build the account. Enter the email, choose a clear display name and set a strong password. Enable two-factor authentication if offered to protect access. After submitting, check your inbox or SMS for the verification code and enter it promptly. Verification prevents lockouts. Make deliberate privacy choices. Decide about friend requests, activity sharing, and who sees your profile. Once complete, sync or sign in on the headset. Make sure to test launching a free app to confirm the account is active and linked correctly. You finish by testing the new account. Download a free app and confirm purchases are blocked unless you add payment details. Next, sync saved data or enable cloud backup so progress carries over. Reinstall any required apps and check settings. If something goes wrong, try the key troubleshooting step. Clear app cache or web credentials, reboot the headset or companion phone, and request a fresh verification code. This resolves most sign-in loops. Finally, note the account credentials in your password manager for safe access later.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.